You can order the headlight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Toyota Camry Car Battery. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. In order to change the headlights on your vehicle, you will need to remove the front bumper to have full access. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. Start by removing the plastic cover by pulling on the 9 plastic rivets using a fork. Then remove the cover. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 bolts holding the grille. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 3 plastic rivets holding the grille. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Now you will need to remove the front bumper. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Toyota Camry. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the headlight. Then unscrew the front retaining bolt of the side bumper retainer using the same tools. You can now extract the headlight from its location. Remove the electrical connectors from the high beam light bulb. Then unclip the electrical sheath from the headlight. Then remove the electrical connectors from the low beam light bulb and the parking light bulb. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the headlight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new headlight. All the bulbs are supplied with it. Remove the protective film. Put the electrical connectors of the light bulbs and the electrical sheath back on. Put the light back in. Screw the 3 headlight retaining bolts back on. Screw the side bumper retainer bolt back on. Now you need to reinstall the bumper. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Toyota Camry. You can now screw the 2 bolts holding the grille back on. Then put the 3 rivets back in place. Put the plastic cover back on. Then put the 9 rivets back on. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your vehicle back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.